Hello viewers, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a second YouTube channel with the same email. So first of all, open your Chrome browser, go to YouTube. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Look at the right corner, click on, go to YouTube Studio. Look at the left corner, click on setting option. Choose the second option, channel, advanced setting. Scroll down, select the first option, manage your YouTube account. Add or manage your channel. And click on to create a channel. Here you can easily create unlimited channel in a single Gmail. Click on, type here your new channel name, like enable this option, and then finally click on to create. Then successfully make a second YouTube channel with the same email. So that's how we can do it.